Okay, in this lecture we're gonna work on the launch images. So the launch images are the first images that show when the app launches for the first time. So let me click on play and show you what they are. They only appear for a few seconds. So these are the launch images, okay? I say launch images at the plural because there's more than one. There's one for every size of screen, okay? So there's an iPad 3.5-inch screen, a 4-inch screen, and obviously the Retina display. So that's 3 of them. Obviously you also have to do that for the iPad version, okay? So let me show you where all of these are, okay? So you can just right click here and do show in Finder, okay? So that's one way of doing this. Once you do that, what you want to do is look for default, okay? So default, and click on words afresh, okay? And that will show you all the images here, okay? So all the images are under graphics app icon, okay? So that's one way of doing it. The other way to open it is to just click on the graphics app icon, right click, show in Finder, all right? And here they are. So obviously, let me put this view, there you go. So as you can see, all these are the images that we need to change, and the icon as well. So first of all, we're gonna work on the launch images, okay? So these are the launch images. So I'm gonna open the biggest one first, and then we're gonna resize them down, okay? So let me do it the quick way. The biggest one here is this one, okay? So I'm gonna just right click here, open with Adobe Photoshop, okay? And I'm just gonna change this from search word to Halloween search word. So how do I do that? I'm just going to click here. First of all, I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to select with the eyedropper, the eye tool. I'm going to select the blue, and I'm going to do image adjustment, replace color, okay? And once I do that, I'm going to change the blue to obviously an orange color, okay? All right, that will do. Press OK. Okay, and instead of SW, I'm going to change that to have something like Halloween search word, okay? So I'm going to put an H in front of this. So I'm going to click on text, the text tool, and I'm going to put an H here, okay? So obviously the H is very small. So I'm going to press Command T to transform and make it a lot bigger. And as you can see, this is definitely not the type of H that I want, and neither the color. So press enter, double click on the layer and change the color to be white, for example, okay? Or actually I'm going to put black, okay? Okay, and I'm going to put an outline to this. So double click on the right side of the layer and click on stroke, and I want a stroke of size 4, and I want a color to be white. All right, okay, so I'm okay with this. Now I don't like the font, so I'm going to double click here and I'm going to select another font. So for Halloween, I think let's see, let me see which font would do. Well, just for the sake of learning, I'm just going to go with any fonts, but know that that's what we want to do. So I'm going to take the Herculaneum, okay? Obviously I can do a lot better. I actually really don't like this one, so let me change again. Let me try with marker felt. Okay, I really don't like it. Let me try one more. If not, then I will just stop here. Let's see. Nope. Let's see this one. Neither. No. Neither. I want something spooky, so obviously I can go online and look for something spooky, but I don't want to waste too much time, so I will go with this one, okay? So I'll just put the H right there, okay? And that will do. And now I'm going to click on text again, okay? So I'm going to add one more text, and here I'm going to write Halloween edition, okay? And obviously the text is too small, so I'm going to press Command T and make it bigger. Okay, there we go, and put it right here. Okay, so that will do, and I'm gonna save this file, save for web, and I'm gonna save it on top of this one that is in the app icon folder, okay? Graphics app icon, save. It's going to ask me to replace. I'm going to place, yes, replace. Alright, so we've changed the first icon. Now you will not be able to see them because we need to change all of them, okay? So one is not enough. We need to change them all and then to go back to VS Code and do product clean. Okay, remember, product clean before being able to run it again. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to resize all the icons.